Hello everyone and welcome back. Hope you guys doing great. In this video I'm going to show you that how we are going to edit a .txt which is a text editor in Notepad, and also we're going to see the data inside that, and also we're going to replace the text inside this txt document. So we're going to do it all with command prompt. So here I'm going to press Windows key and R so I can bring this run. So here I'm going to type CMD. So if you are using a user without a privilege of administrator, so you have to run this as administrator. So here I'm going to change directory to my desktop. So I'm going to type dir. So as you can see here we have this sahel.txt. So the first command that here we need to type is this start, and I'm going to type this sahel.txt. This command is going to start this file, and you can go with a specific path as well. So maybe you are going to use this text editor for web development or programming, so you can use that for different purpose, or maybe you're going to use it for making copies or making some notes about something. So this is really useful. So this is the command that's going to help us to start this sahel.txt or text editor in our Windows with this command prompt. So I'm going to hit enter. So as you can see, it's going to show me this text editor. So the next command that we can use to run this text editor with our Windows and command prompt, so I'm going to type this sahel.txt and I'm going to hit enter. So as you can see, this is the second method that you can open this text editor with your Windows. So here if I want to see the data inside this sahel.txt, so I'm going to enter this type with sahel.txt. So as you can see, no data is available here. So what I'm going to do is that for editing that, we are going to use this start sahel.txt. So I'm going to type this hello world. So we're going to press Ctrl save. So I'm going to close it. So here I'm going to use this command, which is this type sahel.txt. So when I'm going to hit enter, as you can see, it's going to show me the text inside this sahel.txt. So this command is also really useful command that you can see the text inside your extension with .txt, which is a text editor. So here I'm going to type another command, which is not going to edit your document, but this is going to replace your text inside your text editor. So I'm going to type this copy con, and I am going to type this sahel.txt. So here I can just type anything and hit enter. So here it's going to ask me, you want to overwrite, so I'm going to put yes. So as you can see here, we are going to press Ctrl C so we can end this. So here as you can see, I'm going to use arrow keys to bring this type sahel.txt. So as you can see, this text is now changed from the this hello world to this. So this comment is going to replace, this is not going to edit, but is going to replace your text with something that you're going to enter after this command. So the next command here, we are going to type this echo, which is going to use in a command prompt as a print text. Is going to print our text in a specific document, but we want to add our text to this specific document, which is sahel.txt. So here I'm going to put this single quotation mark, and here I'm going to put my text hello again world. So I'm going to put the end of this text as well, this single quotation. So here I'm going to use this brackets. As you can see, we are going to use this, and here I'm going to type this sahel.txt, which is this this is a symbol of open bracket, which is going to show that this text is bigger than this one. So here we are going to hit enter. So I'm going to use row keys to bring this type sahel.txt. Now I'm going to hit enter. So as you can see, the text is changed to this hello again world. So this is how we use all these command with our Windows inside command prompt. So we can open this text editors, and also we can use this to replace our text with this command prompt. So hope you guys enjoy this video and you learn how to edit your text, or how to see the text inside your specific text editor document. And also now you know how to add your text inside your document. So if you have any question or doubt about these commands, please let me know in the comment box of this video. So see you guys until next video.